Sagutin ko ang totoo noon. May dayaan ba? Ano alam niyo, may dayaan ba?
Yung
Pag walang
condition,
dayaan, by trending lang. And I've been on the campaign trail. And basta parehas ang laban. I think it will be Duterte. Kasi nakita ko, alam nyo, ang taong mga audience ni crowd ni Duterte, parang Vietcong. Pag kami nagsasalita, wala. Pag dumating si Duterte, sarado. Puro record holder yung aming crowd. I'm independent but I am aligned with Duterte. Okay, time's up.
thank you. Thank you, General Santiago. Let's go to Risa Ontiveros. Who will win for president and why?
Ang mananalo yung ipaglalaban natin hanggang sa tagumpay. So patuloy ko pong ilalaban hanggang sa huling araw ng kampanya sina Mar Rojas at Leni Robredo. Dahil alam nila ang mataas na stake sa eleksyong ito. Tingin ko po ay hindi nila bibiguin yung potensyal pa rin hindi lamang na ikonsolida kung ano na ang mga nasimulang reform efforts ngayon, pero lalo itong palawakin at palalimin.
Maraming salamat, Risa Ontiveros. Richard Gordon, who will win for president and why?
Who do you think will win? Ang question.
Who do you think will win?
I think it will be a fight between Mr. Duterte and Ms. Poe. Bakit? Duterte is very clear, malakas ang dating, galit ang tao sa corruption, galit ang tao sa patayan dito sa ating bayan, galit ang tao sa hindi lumalakad, local government official, manalo si Duterte. Poe, antithesis. Itong administration. Ito si Poe, masinop, collected, mahinahon, at gusto ng tao, yung mabait, gusto ng tao, yung talagang may puso. Yun ang kailangan nila. Yan ang sinasabi nila.
Salamat, Richard Gordon. Sherwin Gatchalian.
Sa akin po, Grace Poe and Chisa Escudero. Our two words, jobs and anti-poverty. Sila lang po ang may solidong platform on jobs and anti-poverty. Thank you.
Sherwin is the campaign manager of Grace Poe.
Kapatid niya.
Expected na rin po.
Oh, his brother. Sorry. I'm wrong. My apologies. Sorry. My apologies. Leila De Lima.
Alam niyo naman po siguro kung anong sagot ko dyan. Siyempre, kay Mar Rojas and Leni Robredo po tayo. Walang duda, sila talaga ang pwedeng pagkakatiwalaan. Sila, yung may kakayahan. Sila, yung may katapatan. I would always say that Sec Mar Rojas is the most qualified, most competent, and clean, a very clean candidate. Ganun din, siyempre, si Leni Robredo. Walang duda sa sinseridad. Walang duda na ang kapakanan ng karamihan ang isusulong nila.
Thank you, Secretary De Lima. Weldon Bello.
Well, I would rather answer the question by saying who's not going to win. At sa tingin ko, hindi mananalo si Mar, pero maaring manalo si Leni. Why? Kasi si Mar is really a management failure, no? And people have enough of that. Secondly, secondly, he's running on a legacy that has been also palpak. I mean, and it's dual standards in governance. How can anyone win with that kind of agenda?